I finally got the raspberries moved with help from my friend. They're in my new allotment now. My messy new allotment. There they are. So, this is going to be a flower bed. So I'm probably going to get help from my brother and my partner to pick these slabs up. Probably just pile them up there for now. Weed it, that's all birdseed mainly. Give it a little dig. Cut these down, move them at the back because they're tall and they really annoy me there. Should have daffodils there somewhere. Oh, there the daffodils coming through. Yeah, this is what it looks like before. This is the future flower bed. Paving slabs are now moved, so thank you for that. You moved them. All the little ones, I moved a few of them. There's big ones there. And one extra big one at the end of this path. It's not level. Now we're going to dig it over, make sure there's no weeds in, and try and dig these out because these couldn't get dug out in the summer. The ground was so hard, but it should come out now. The raspberry posts are now out. And in there, these are next. I've got 3 Viverna planted at the back, some fennel I just put there, there's the daffodils coming through, and that's, I forgot what they are, lilies, and it's raining. I just realised I forgot to record what I was doing. This is a few days later now because I was in pain from the other day. I started moving the, what do you call them again? Them anyway. So I'm going to have a line of them all the way down. That's going to be a line of Rudbeckia, I think. And then Cosmos. Actually, Cosmos should. That's going to be Cosmos. Rudbeckia in the gaps at the back. Yeah. This is where I'm getting them from. How many we've got to go. It's annoyed me so much them being there. Oh, my dahlias. I wonder if they're alright still. They should have a tuber inside. I've done these in March. I might just cut them back and then start watering them soon. But yeah, they'll be going in. Do they get taller than chrysanthemums? I can't remember. I'll figure out anyway, but they'll be going in there as well. And some lavender will have to go in. Oh, they need watering. Oh, it smells nice. Break time again. Having my coffee. I can smell fire, I think. All of them are in. It's not even a straight line. Let me see. It'll do. So that's that done. That's all that dug out. And the spare ones that I ended up like pulling out by accident, like clumps of it. There's one big clump that hardly had any growth, so I just put it in the compost bin. I don't know what was wrong with that. So there's all these. And there's some here. That's it. So I've got loads of, like, just in case they die from the cold or something, I've still got some. I've chopped down all the dahlias, removed the top bit of compost, put some fresh compost on. I'm just about to water them. And put the lavenders in here, they need watering, so I'll do that now. Now the raspberries are planted there, and I'm going to move the rhubarb there. I'll show you. Here, because it gets shaded by the tree. I've put that there because that's where the chicken fence is going to go again. That's what the ground's like. You can see all the little seeds from the plums. Doesn't look too bad, you know. So I'll show you the raspberries that I'm wanting to move. I mean, rhubarb. After the rhubarb's moved, I want that tayberry moving because I can never get to it properly. That's going to go on that fence inside the chicken run. And I think these gooseberries are going to go on the chicken run as well. And maybe the blackcurrants. But then what do I put here? Right next to the greenhouse. A bit shady. I don't know, but it's horrible, like, because all the spikes come out and get you when you're trying to get in the greenhouse. It's a flower bed. That is my moving the fruit. Regaining my flower bed, moving the fruit bushes and that to the new allotment. I might end that video here. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Keep watching to watch me try and regain my allotment and have this new allotment. See if I'm going to manage it or not. Thank you, bye.